For the ETH graph pair, I have been swapping small amounts into graph at around 10,000 graph per ETH. Where do you see fair value of this pair? This was a tough question because, again, graph is considered now part of the AI narrative. It's growing as blockchains grow. I've covered it recently. It's doing really well. It was one of my asymmetric bets back in November because it was doing really well on a new model we're working on. Let's look at three different pair charts actually. First is ETH over graph, and here it's very difficult to decipher exactly what is going on. And again, this is the ones you're referring to at about 10,000 tokens per ETH. As we take the price of ETH, like 1,600, divided by the price of the graph, whether it's $1 or $1.60 or 80 cents, you can see how it's changed. Basically, graph has become more valuable, therefore less are needed to buy one Ethereum. But the question is, this thing just went bonkers so fast, shooting down from whatever that is, 20,000 tokens to 10,000, literally overnight. So it more than 2x the performance of Ethereum. Let's look at the upside down version of that. That's the graph divided by Ethereum. It's a tiny fraction, 0.0001. And you can see here, the trend does not look too good either. But most importantly, there is no ETH to graph. There's no ETH over graph to ETH correlation. So what I mean by that, I'm now comparing in this chart the ETH over GRT to Ethereum. And you can do it to the graph as well. And you can see there is no co-integration between these assets. And by the way, a co-integrated pair refers to two or more time series that have a long-term either equilibrium or inverse equilibrium relationship. These guys have neither. So it is completely inconclusive. There's no telling where things are going to go.